Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Yarn Designs. Today I'm doing a video about how to use TikTok as an artist to grow your account and get more followers, get more sales, get more clicks to your website. So I'm kind of assuming that you already have a little bit of experience using TikTok or have at least an account on there and have been watching videos. This isn't going to be an entire how to use TikTok tutorial video. This video is geared toward artists who just want like some ideas and some tips on how to grow your account. One of the top things that I recommend to start with is just to watch other people's videos. You can search for other artists and watch their videos and kind of get an idea for what's popular and what looks good, how to film your videos. I would start just doing a little bit of experimenting on your own, and you can just save the videos to your drafts. They don't ever have to be published or anything. Just get familiar with the tools and how to use them. I also recommend watching the top trending videos just to get a feel for sort of what the trends are, how they work, and you could start thinking about how you could put an artist spin on some of these trends that you're seeing on TikTok. So one of the main things is that you always need to include a sound with your video. So you could either use trending sounds, like you could use a song that goes along with the specific trend that you're mimicking, or as you're scrolling through your feed, there are some artist-specific sounds. When you find one that you like, make sure that you add it to your favorite so that you can create videos with that sound. So yeah, the main things are always add a sound, only use a couple of hashtags, relevant hashtags, and don't use the same hashtags over and over, and don't use the hashtag For You page or FYP. So here you can see one of my videos. It's just very simple. I've just opened up this book and I'm just showing my process, and it's just a few clips of me drawing a mandala here. And I'm going to show you some of my other videos. Need to turn the sound down. So all of these do have music along with them, and so I've got some with my face, I've got some where I'm just kind of playing around, AMA, fave things to draw, just showing my artwork along with a trending sound here. And you can see I've only got a couple of hashtags here. So I've got a list of other videos that you can make as an artist. So I've already shown some process videos, how you create your art, real-time or time-lapse, close-ups of yourself creating. So, you know, sharing your process, you're in the video. A lot of the ones where your face is actually showing is going to do better. A finished artwork reveal is a good one, where you kind of stand there with your drawing and then turn it around and then you can see the final piece. Real life behind the scenes, so just kind of stuff that you're doing in your everyday life. You know, show your studio, show people around. You could talk in the video, you know, explain things. You can also do tutorials, so you can like show people how to do your process, how you do what you do, how to do hand lettering, how to do painting, the watercolor, whatever it is that you do. And then art spins on trending videos. So you might see there's a lot of just like trends where, you know, it's along to a certain song, or it's like the yep, no, or whatever it is, and you put an art spin on it, put your own personal spin on that trend. And then duets and challenges. So on TikTok you can duet, or you can basically reply to someone's video, and so a lot of times people will set you up, like give you a certain challenge or set it up in a certain way that you can do a duet or a challenge. So here's another example where I'm doing the finished artwork reveal. And you can see I'm just holding it up and turning it around, not even saying anything. I also have a song that's going along with this. Doing a little dance. People love the dances on TikTok, so you gotta do the dance. No, you don't actually have to. And here's one more example where I'm following a trend, so I was sort of using this like morph filter, and a lot of people were using it to turn themselves into celebrities, but I used it to turn myself into one of my artworks. So that was kind of fun. So I hope this has given you a few ideas on how to use TikTok as an artist, how to grow your account. Make sure that you follow me at JrXEBq, and I can't wait to see your videos. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on art, how to sell your art online, and how to use social media as an artist.